everybody, what is going on? I hope everybody is having a great week. So if you've been coming across these videos, you like what you see, through the YouTube search algorithm or however you're finding me, it's appreciated. But if you could, hit that subscribe button. That would be greatly appreciated. And for those of you who have been subscribed, welcome back. I have got a pretty cool product to talk about. It's new for me. I always like new stuff. And it's technically international. So with that being said, let's get into it, alright? So the product I'm talking about is from a company called Way of Will. They are based in Canada, and everything that they make is sourced out of Canada. I believe the Toronto area. With that being said, here we go. This is their product. This is their, they just use numbers. Number 25. It is their beard oil, okay? It's a 1 ounce container. Let's get the important stuff out of the way first. The price, it comes in at $16.99 via Amazon. The website does list a slightly higher price, so I would suggest Amazon. At, like I said, $16.99. I'm going to give that a pretty fair price. Usually $15 is what a lot of 1 ounce beard oils are going for through a lot of the other companies I've dealt with. So $16.99, not bad. Definitely fair pricing, I feel. Alright, so a little bit about this company. They are a essential oil-based body care company. So this beard oil is one of many products that they offer. They've got anything from deodorant to shampoo, or hair care, I should say. And then they also have, just a wide array, like different oil blends for the face and hair. So very cool company. I'm probably gonna want to explore some of the other products they have, just because I just like the concept of the essential oil bases. It's a pretty neat concept, and like I said, I think through Amazon the pricing is pretty fair. So definitely in that regard, it's worth checking out. So let's get into the oil now. So this, again, like I said, this is their oil. It comes in a 1 ounce container. Frosted glass, I like that. Labeling is very simple. Kind of a big departure for me. I'm used to something a little more elaborate, but again, simple. It's just the label. The label doesn't do anything for this. So this variety is, it's the only one they offer as far as beard oils. They don't have any other variety. They have a pre-shave oil, and then they have like an aftershave. But this is the only beard oil that they offer. And this is it is black spruce and black pepper is the scent that this gives. Okay, so let's go ahead and get into the ingredients. So we have grapeseed oil, jojoba or jojoba oil, camellia. I'm sorry, I'm butchering this one. This one's new for me, but it's camellia sinensis leaf oil, tocopherol, black spruce, bergamot, and black pepper oil. So those are your essential oils there. At the end there, how's this smell, right? What's this like? So the oil, as you can tell, it is frosted glass, but it is clear, or it does allow the color to go through. So it is you can probably pick it up on this camera here, and I've got a better picture. It does have a yellow tint to the oil. So oil there, you can see on my hand, it still had a tint even in my hand. I'd give this like a medium to medium thick as far as the oil goes. It's got a nice consistency. Carrier oil blend was put together really well. It doesn't feel super thin. And I've got a shorter beard now for the summer. So let's go ahead and put this in. Now, right away, as far as the scent goes, I'm getting that black spruce has kind of like a piney characteristic to it. So the best way I could describe it to somebody is it smells a little bit like pine. And then that bergamot offers a little bit of there's a citrus characteristic that follows that pine scent. And then that pepper is it's kind of there in the back. You do get like a little bit of a pepper finish to almost either one of those two scents. So all in all, what I would kind of describe this as, if I had to give it to you, I would say it's a very clean, masculine scent. When I put it on, when I got it in the mail and I tried it, that's what I do. My wife even said, ooh, she really liked the scent. The scent is very nice. That being said, I'm pretty confident, that these are essential oils being used, because the scent doesn't last. Doesn't stay very intense for very long. And that's not necessarily a bad thing if you don't want a scent to last too long. I know some guys do, some guys it doesn't make a difference. For me, what this does is it softens probably within an hour or two. It'll soften a lot. and you're just left with a pretty clean, neutral smell in the beard. The scent is really nice. Like I said, it's a clean, masculine scent that citrus gives it a real clean aspect, and then that spruce and the pepper just have this, do this really nice little play. It kind of goes back and forth on the nose. Really enjoyable. Definitely different for me. I was pleasantly surprised by that scent. Didn't really know what to think with it, really. So, all in all, guys, this is a pretty good recommendation. Like I said, the scent just doesn't last too terribly long. It mellows out pretty nice, though. And it just kind of it just really softens up, and it just leaves you with a pretty clean, neutral scent in the beard. You get little traces still throughout the day. The oil itself does hold up throughout the day. I did not feel like I had to reapply it throughout my day. I usually put some oil on at night, so when I got home, you know, I put some oil on, but otherwise I didn't feel like it was really drying out or anything. It held up pretty well throughout the day. So, again, guys, if you're interested in this, you can go to Amazon and get it. $16.99. I think the pricing's fair. Overall, the product performs pretty well. I'd say it's a really solid product. The only thing is the scent. It doesn't last as long as others, but again, they're using 100% natural essential oils, and they typically don't last as long as your fragrance oils. So, that's my video, guys. Hope this was helpful. Hope you found it interesting. If you have any questions or comments, throw them down below. Hope you have a great week. Take care.